Ever feel like your finances are a three-ring circus? You're tossing around bills, receipts, and bank statements, desperately trying to keep track of everything. But where's the popcorn? This financial tightrope walk isn't entertaining. It's stressful. If you're nodding your head, you're not alone. Millions of people struggle to manage their personal finances. Thankfully, there are tools out there to help you transform your financial act from clumsy clown to budgeting boss. One popular option is QuickBooks. It's a big name in the accounting software world. But is it right for you? Specifically, is QuickBooks free for personal use? Let's untangle this financial question and see if QuickBooks can help you wrangle your finances. QuickBooks, a powerful accounting tool. QuickBooks is a feature-rich software program designed to streamline your financial management. Businesses of all sizes use it for tasks like tracking income and expenses. Say goodbye to overflowing shoeboxes of receipts. QuickBooks helps you categorize your spending, giving you a clear picture of where your money goes. Creating invoices and estimates. Freelancers and independent contractors can use QuickBooks to send professional invoices and track outstanding payments. Managing bills. Tired of late fees? QuickBooks can help you stay on top of your bills by reminding you of upcoming due dates. Generating reports. Need a quick snapshot of your financial health? QuickBooks can create reports that show your income, expenses, and overall financial performance. These are just a few of the features that make QuickBooks a popular choice. But with all this power comes a price tag. So, can you leverage QuickBooks muscle for free if you're just managing your personal finances? The free trial, a temporary taster. Here's the truth. QuickBooks doesn't offer a completely free version for personal use. However, they do provide a 30-day free trial of QuickBooks online. This can be a great way to test drive the software and see if it fits your needs. During the trial, you'll have full access to all of QuickBooks Online's features. This gives you the chance to set up your accounts, categorize your income and expenses, connect your bank accounts, and import any existing financial data. Test the features, play around with invoicing, bill pay, and reporting tools. See if it simplifies your life. Does QuickBooks make managing your finances easier and less stressful? The free trial is a valuable tool, but remember, it's just that, a trial. After 30 days, your access will expire, and you'll need to subscribe to a paid plan to continue using QuickBooks. Paid plans. Weighing the cost. QuickBooks Online offers several paid plans with varying features and functionalities. These plans are geared towards different business needs, so the cost can vary. However, there's no specific personal finance plan. This means you'll be subscribing to a business-oriented plan, which might be more than you need for just managing your personal finances. So, is QuickBooks right for you? QuickBooks is a powerful tool, but it's important to consider your needs before diving in. Here are some things to think about. Complexity of your finances. Do you have a simple budget or a lot of moving parts, like investments or rental properties? Tech savvy. Are you comfortable using accounting software? Or would a simpler budgeting app be more suitable? Budget. Can you justify the cost of a paid subscription for personal use? Free alternatives to consider. If QuickBooks seems like overkill, there are plenty of free personal finance apps and software options available. Here are a few to explore. Mint, a popular app that helps you track your budget, categorize your spending, and set financial goals. Personal Capital provides a comprehensive view of your finances, including your net worth, investment performance, and budgeting tools. In Inab, you need a budgeting app that uses a unique approach to help you manage your money and achieve your financial goals. These are just a few examples, and there are many other free and paid options available. QuickBooks might be a fantastic tool for businesses, but for personal use, it might be more complex and expensive than you need. Explore the free trial if you're curious, but don't hesitate to check out the many free personal finance apps available. Remember, the most important thing is to find a system that helps you take control of your finances and reach your financial goals.